Hi everyone, I've got these little turquoise hearts and thought I'd make a pair of turquoise with some crystals. So let's get started. They're probably man-made turquoise, but it's still turquoise. I mean, it ain't, but you know what I mean. It's still turquoise colored. So that's what it looked like. It's going to be a simple little pair. And those are silver spacers. And I think these are all about 6 millimeter. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these are all about 6 millimeter. And they're on a head pin. Okay. We're going to do these simple, and because this is that stiff wire that does not want to cooperate, and I'm afraid I'll break the heart. So I'm going to go up about 3/4 of an inch. About to do a blood test every time I do that. Alright, now I'm going to cut even more off because I have decided that we got to do these different. Cut more off of that one. Want maybe a 1/2 inch up at the top. Alright, so about a 1/2 inch. And we're just gonna, these are stiff enough that I'm gonna roll it over. And I'm gonna make it like that. And try to get it closed. Which these beads are big enough that they're not going to fall off, but I don't want it to come off the ear wire. Bend it back a little bit. My hands got numb. And my elbow's sitting on there and my hand went numb. Okay. And that's all it looks like. It's just a loop. We didn't do a twist. We didn't roll it. Now on thin wire, you're going to have to do either twist or roll it, or it's not going to stay. But on really stiff wire that I hold up to somebody catching it in their hair. And you just put it on, twist it back. Make sure you've got it closed. Make sure you got it closed. Alright, open it up, you twist it. Put it on, twist it back, make sure it's closed. And you can push down on it a little bit once you've got it directly over it, but not much. Just be gentle. And that's probably chalk turquoise, but it looks like turquoise, so be good for people that like turquoise colored stuff. Okay, I really appreciate you sticking it out to the end and liking and subscribing. It helps me out. And until next time, y'all take care of yourself. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.